I'm Professor Xiao from Beijing, the China Foundation for Human Rights Development. In the big data era, personal privacy is in big trouble. Like data leakage, info abuse, and behavioral tracking. Collecting and using personal data is getting more complex and hidden. Traditional laws can't handle these new problems. So we suggest countries clear up what personal and sensitive info is. Define the data minimization principle, improve the informed consent process. Let users control their own data. Governments should use reliable tech and law enforcement to supervise all platforms regularly, simple, medium, or small. We need an around-the-clock complaint response system so everyone can protect their privacy equally. Also, strengthen legal checks on cross-border data flows, push for global privacy standards to work together. Only by strictly enforcing legal duties and teaching people can we really safeguard personal privacy. Thank you all.
Thank you. I give the floor to